every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! We're gonna need 150 grams of ice cubes, 3 tablespoons of tequila, 2 tablespoons of fresh orange juice, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and 1 teaspoon of simple syrup. I will start by adding fresh orange juice, tequila, fresh lime juice, and simple syrup to my cocktail shaker. Then I'm going to top it with ice cubes and mix everything to combine. Literally, mix, because the recipe didn't say to shake, so rest my cocktail shaker, rest this time. As with the virgin margarita recipe, why not get fancy and rim the glass, huh? I'll brush the rim of a glass with a piece of lime and then dip it in some sugar. Very nice, very, very nice. Now I will pour the cocktail, decorate the glass with a piece of lime, and that's it. It's Friday, it's testing time. It's the time to decide whether I should buy a proper margarita glass. So, shall we do that? This looks cute. I really like rimming the glass. Like, this looks so fancy. Like when you go to a bar and they give you a cocktail, this looks like that. Definitely. Okay. I can smell tequila so much. This will be strong, I feel like. Not as strong as I thought it will be. Again, I have a love-hate relationship with tequila because it stinks, but it kinda is tasty. It's a fun drink, alright? You know what? I might get myself a margarita glass after all. This is fun. Now, for the life of me, I don't really remember what was the taste of the virgin margarita that I've tried, but I don't think it tasted like this. It was really sour. It really needed some more sweetener, if I remember correctly, but this, boy, am I ready to go have lunch now? This is such a Friday. So, as you can see, this is how my cocktail looks like, and this is Laura's. If you want to watch her make it, she's so fun. The link is there in the cards if you want to try this cocktail yourself, which, I mean, autumn, winter, what else to do? The written recipe is in the description box down below, in both Imperial and the metric system, so whatever you're using, you're covered. As my hands are shaking because I'm trying not to spill. Now I see the worth in margarita glass. I feel like it's a little bit bigger and you don't need to be so careful with that. With this, I feel like I need to eye it all the time so I don't spill. But it looks cute. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more recipes like this, the whole playlist is here, and I will see you very soon. Bye!